Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but not showing icon in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're connected to Wi-Fi but you're not showing any icon, something like this on your iPhone, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to open up your settings. In settings, I have to try to enable your airplane mode and disable it for for 5 times, and once you have done that, you must have to try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So open up your Wi-Fi and here try to reconnect, or it might be that your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, you must have to open up your general, then scroll down to N and you'll get the VPN and device management. Simply select that option, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any Wi-Fi or VPN. And once you have checked, you must have to go back and then select transfer or reset iPhone. Select reset network settings. So it will not delete your data, but it will reset all of your network settings. So you must have to enter your passcode here, and once you have entered your passcode, your all network settings will be reset. It will delete all of your saved Wi-Fi passwords. So if you want to, you can easily recover them. So must you just have to select the reset option, and your network setting will be reset, and your phone will be restart. And once you have that, your problem will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix Wi-Fi connected but not showing icon on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.